the eye and choosing to fight anyway. Her kingdom burns, her people surrounded, the enemy stands at her gates, and still she fights. Swords raised, shields locked, cannons ready, women stand alongside warriors. Every inch of this battlefield says, we are still here. Let the cannons roar, let the rifles thunder, let the walls shake, for there's something stronger than an army, the will of people who refuse to be defeated. This is not a battle for a throne. This is a battle for the right to stand, for every home taken, every voice silenced, every dream that refuses to die. This is resistance. This is Lakshmi Bai's courage. She knows the battle may be lost. She knows she may not return. But sometimes fighting is the only victory left. So she fights for a freedom she may never live to see. A freedom we stand in today. A freedom that wasn't given to us for free. It was paid for. And the least we can do is never forget its price. Jai Hind!